Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm doing a little ixsr radio, spektrum radio setup on my redcat mt18 monster truck for the four-wheel steering. So you guys saw some of those older videos I did last year or in the middle of the year, I don't remember, where I did the Lizard Pro Fury Tech upgrade and brushless motor that everyone does, or some people do. Still using the stock 2-cell because it's still a good powering battery for that size. So I haven't really upgraded that, but I haven't really driven it that much. But I'm just gonna go over real quick on mapping and mixing for the the drive modes and mixing for four-wheel steering, crab walk, and rear steel. So like I said, you saw in the past videos, you see I got the rear steering servo set up. Got my Lizard in here. What I did was I kind of filed down a little bit on the sides where the nuts are, so it lays flush, so you can see it sits in a nice flush, doesn't stick out. I wanted it to be a clean look, so I had to file away a little bit of the case just so it fits on the screws. You know, I didn't have to, but I wanted it clean and flush. All right, so here's the setup. So this goes for pretty much any smart radio, I guess, if Spektrum. This ixsr is you know, unique to its system, but what's cool is you can actually run the Fury Tech app and connect Bluetooth on your ESC. I do that for my crawlers too, for my new what do you call it, Terra Comp Fury Tech, which is cool. I'll go over a video on that one too. So here's the settings on it. So right now you can see it's only front steering, right? So I have my D, I think it's D, my D button here. Let me just push that. So right now, front steering, right?
All-wheel steer.
Now it's all-wheel steer. See, all-wheel.
Rear steer.
Rear steer only. And one more is going to be crab walk. So that's how I got it set up.
All front steer.
So the way to do that, you go into your ixsr, go to setup, go to drive modes. So drive modes here, when you set up a drive mode, you just set up the three or four switch modes. So when you do the switch, this is your identifier for each one. So like I named that one front steer, I named that one all-wheel steer, I named that one rear steer, and crab walk, because that's what it's going to say.
All-wheel steer.
All-wheel.
Rear steer.
Rear steer.
Crab walk.
Crab walk. So it's going to say whatever you type. So you can have it say anything for you. That's what I have it say. So that's your drive mode. So then you get back out of drive mode and you go into your mixing and your steering. In your steering, you see you got mix type, all-wheel steer, you got the back steer for that servo, and the front all-wheel drive mode. So whatever mode you're in,
all-wheel steer.
See how it changes on the drop down?
Crab walk.
So in this screen, you would go to your function on your D, then you would select the steering mode, which is the third drop down. I don't want to do it now because it's all messed up, but I'll have to redo it. So you just set for each one what it is: rear, front, all wheel, and crab walk, and that's how you do it. So then you get back out of mixing, and that's it. You're back. Push there. Go to dashboard. So right now I'm in all-wheel steering. Go down. All-wheel steering, rear steering, crab walk. And that's the last one. So I'll go all the way to the front.
Front steer.
Front. Okay, good example here. So what happened was, remember how I said I didn't want to mess with that? So
all-wheel front steer.
Go back to your mixing. I'm going a little too fast here. Go into your steering mix. So that's all-wheel steer right there. See, all-wheel steer. That's what I set it up for. Then the target is the servo. Obviously, it's controlling that servo. So, I mean, for whatever reason, I have mine mixed up. It's actually crab mode for my all-wheel steering. So then you select each one.
All-wheel steer.
All-wheel steer.
Rear steer.
Rear steer.
Crab walk.
Crab walk. And then all the way front is my front.
Steer.
I'm going to go front. There you go. So that's how you do it. You say you drive mode, then you go into your mixing, and that's how you do it. If you got any questions, guys, just send me a message. Like, subscribe, hit that notification. See you in the next one.